think she cares. Whoa! He sailed right off that. Ooh, some pretty bluebird.
Fancy.
From a pretty.
Guys, today I'm gonna open up my heavy metal Raptor, and we're gonna see what it's got.
It's a how do you say that? 110 scale Raptor heavy metal. 4-wheel drive.
And it's got,
Flex suspension. That sounds fun.
and it's got this kind of controller. I'm gonna have to learn how to drive one of those controllers because I've never used one of those.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Can you get it?
Yep.
Do you want me to rip it?
I can rip it right here.
There we go.
Oh, there's instructions. I'm probably gonna need that.
Yeah, keep the instructions. All right, we got it out the box.
I don't think you have to turn the controller on for it to go.
That was a job. You got a switch in there. All right, let me move some of this.
There's no switch. Oh.
Ooh. All right, see if you can figure it out.
Let's see. This turns it that way. Oh, it's fast. Okay, I think I've got the hang of the turning.
Let's look at him real quick for you. We didn't really look at him that good. We just ripped him out of the box.
Good.
Fancy smancy. This was a $50 truck.
Let's see what it
The
can
Raptor. Okay.
do. I'm giving it like half done.
Oh, that's how it goes in reverse.
You gotta push this like forward, and you gotta push this.
So is this what makes it turn?
Yeah, look. When you turn it forward, it turns this way. When you turn it this way, it turns that way. And this is how you make it go backwards. You click, you like do this. When you make it go forward, it's like you're shooting.
Turn him around. Oh.
I forgot how to go in reverse. Oh, yeah. It's hard.
All right, here he goes. He is a fast little booger.
Let's see if we can go up the slide.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's heavy. You gotta push this all the way down for it to go, like, see?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you ran him into the tractor.
Oh, there's hay on it.
It's okay. He can ride up to hay.
Yeah.
It's not hay. It's grass where your daddy mowed.
Oh, he's a little big.
Yeah, he's too wide for the slide.
I bet he could do it with his rippy old tires.
See what he does going down the slide.
He'd probably crash on the way down.
You don't want to try it? You don't want to tempt fate?
Maybe he's tough.
Put him up on the...
He's heavy metal, so maybe he'll
Here.
go good.
Wait a minute. I don't know if he's going to stay.
Maybe heavy metal works. Let's see.
Oh, he did it all right.
If I gave him gas, he would have probably jumped it. You want to do a speed test?
A what?
A speed test?
See how fast he go?
On the pavement?
On the road?
No, on the sidewalk.
Oh, yeah. Okay. We'll go up there and do it. Move the track out the way.
Okay.
See how fast he flies. Oh, he's fast.
He's really fast. It's uncomfortable on my finger pushing it up, so I just do this. Let's see. Whoa! I'm trying to do a test.
A suspension test?
Oh, I hit Shell's foot.
I don't think she cares. Whoa! He sailed right off that thing.
Oh, there's
Oh, look at that. That's blue. from a pretty blue bird.
Fancy.
Mm-hmm. It's from a pretty bird. All right. Samuel's favorite thing to do. The burnout test.
I wish there was like, I wish you could like push reverse and forward so I don't have to touch him to do a burnout. Oh, he did like he made dust come up when he started going.
How about you, look, stand back. And I put my foot here. Now, see if you can give him a burnout. That worked. You're gonna ride through some holes Samuel made.
It might have, I bet you some water. Yeah, it used to be deeper, but it's
oh, yeah.
Good. It's still good. Let's see what it can do. Wait, I forgot how to go. Oh, yeah. It's so hard to remember. Let's see if it can go. Wait, I got an idea. Down, and we'll see how fast it can go from here all the way to the end.
Okay, go for it.
1, 2, 3 seconds. He doesn't like to turn that much.
Oh, is he stuck?
Wait.
Wait. Can you do it?
Ooh, that noise sounds bad. Maybe I didn't break his wheel.
You didn't break his wheel.
He does not want to turn. I'm gonna bring. It's not driving with the front wheel.
He probably needs charging up more.
Oh.
You're gonna break it. Slight malfunction, but we got him going again.
It made like a dust trail when we ran over that.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can run up that little pine tree. It's a little baby pine tree. Oh, I got it. Let's go. Oh,
he did it. Oh, the pine tree popped right back up.
Oh, is he stuck? Oh, no, he's not. He's indestructible. Oh, that was weird.
All right, well, what do you think about him overall?
It's pretty good. I recommend it.
You recommend it? We recommend it. Buy you a Raptor. They're fun. Only 50 bucks. Yeah, if you have the money. 50 bucks is a lot for some people. It's not much for others, so just depends.
Like if I paid for it, I'd only have 40 bucks left.
Yeah, Samuel wouldn't have much money left.
Guys, today we're going to be testing out my new Gravedigger. If you didn't see my other video, we made an unboxing video on this. After this one, you should go check that one out. So the first test, we're going to see how good it does on the rocks. It's got real tires, if you didn't know that.
Charlotte's going to get right in the way.
Rattle around a whole lot. Oh, we should go down the slide.
Oh yeah, people go up the slide.
Oh yeah.
Probably not, but you can try it.
The dude burst didn't. Oh. There's a little burst. Go!
Go! Nope.
Oh.
He had no problem coming down the slide.
I bet it'll go really fast.
You ready?
Go. It got stuck in the grass. I guess it ain't really that good in the grass.
That's on the stick. Stuck on the stick.
Only if its tires were a little bit bigger, like its brother. Oh, it's like giant trees through this room.
Oh, the grass is too deep. We had a whole bunch of rain for the past few days, and the grass is super, you can tell, super deep.
And we can't mow it because it's so muddy.
Yeah, it's so wet we can't mow it.
The side-by-side's been sitting for a real long time too because we can't drive it because it's so muddy.
There's a bug on the side of my camera. Hang on. Hey guys.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
Ah! Mosquitoes.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh look, there's something. A cricket.
A little bitty cricket.
Cricket.
I'm gonna try to throw this a little bit. That's so cool.
That is cool. Look at the tire tracks. Hey, look, a stick has fallen right here in the way of the dream. Must have came off in the storm yesterday.
It's like a beaver thing now. What are those called?
A beaver dam?
Yeah. Look at all the rocks in there.
Oh yeah. I see a brick.
I see a hook or something.
You see any frogs? Oh. Shallow's looking to see if she can find some frogs.
All the frogs are probably hiding under the rocks right now.
Shallow might have. She sniffed something over there. What are you sniffing, Shallow?
Oh, she found one. You found one?
She's on the trail of something. Oh, no. Oh. Now she's just wiping her face off.
Guys, look, there's frog eggs. That's so cool.
Oh, that black thing that's stringy.
That's tadpole eggs.
That's so cool. There's going to be a ton of frogs.
Oh, yeah, I'm so excited. I'm going to be catching them all day.
So that's what they look like?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, they like bunch together, and then they come apart, and then they grow, and then they bust.
They turn into tadpoles?
Yep.
And they'll be all in here.
Wait, I want to catch the mama. It's going to be a big frog.
I wonder how long it takes for them to hatch. We may have to Google that. Research. We're going to research tadpole eggs.
That wasn't here.
It's definitely some kind of eggs. That is so cool. Okay. Back to Gravedigger.
That's the kind that like jumps on the shirt and stays on it.
Is he caught? It looks like there's a web right here. Stick your hand in there, make sure. Touch him just gently.
I don't want to get my hand.
Go over the top. Just barely.
Oh, there's a web right there too.
Okay, don't. I don't think he's caught. I think he's just. Oh no, he's not caught. Oop, there he went somewhere.
Where'd he go? Oh, I want to grab the shirt.
See if I can get close to him. Oh, he's flying away. He flew away.
I don't know.
I wasn't able to get close.
Hold on, I want to see if I can jump Gravedigger. Gravedigger Junior.
What do you want to do?
Off this.
Okay.
Off this big leg right here. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm going to do it shorter, like from right here. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, go!
Upside down.
Guys, I just got this new RC car for Christmas, and it's like a wheelie thing. It's like every time you hit the gas, it just does a wheelie, and it's got this cool wheelie bar. So when you're wheeling, you can like ride with that. And these tires are really grippy. They've lost a lot of the grip though, because I've been driving this thing around ever since I got it today for Christmas. My little sister gave it to me. I've been driving it over here, not in it. And I've been doing burnouts through here and proper wheelies and trying to make it all like this. Sometimes it flips when I'm going through here. See what? Oh, it saved it. Oh, no, it's almost no. No. The bad thing on driving on two wheels is it flips a lot. It's not really for outside. Oh, it is. It's just for like more flat surfaces. So you can go down here and drive it into more flat surfaces. And try to balance it all the way through. If you barely get it in the gas, it'll just pop a wheelie. May not really like a full wheelie, but it'll pop one. See, watch. I'll barely give it any gas and it'll pop a little wheelie. Oh, a little too much. I'll see how fast it goes. So like, if you push both of these forwards, it goes forwards. If you push one of these, the other way you push it backwards, or the opposite way. This one's because of that. If you push both these back, goes backwards. Or you can just click this button. That's what I've been doing, and it makes you go forwards. When I was smaller, I had a red one and a blue one. And I don't know what happened to them. All right, let's see how fast I go. I won't be able to get full speed. Not too far away. Oh, boy, don't have this. It's like, what? I made a weird noise. I'll drive it over here. It'll probably make a bunch of smoke or dust. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a burnout. It's too rocky over here. Yeah, no worries. It can do a really good burnout since it's got those grips on it. Make a bunch of smoke. It's really cool. And it can drop through a bunch of stuff. I bet you can drop through all this big tall rock. This big tall rock right here. Did it no problem, but I think it's feel them. See how dim they are? The spikes on them. They used to be like to here, but from driving around, them like grinding the wheels off. See the front? It's kind of grinded the front off too. See, watch. Oh yeah, they're a lot more dimmer now. You can see like how they've been like shaving away. My eyes are watering from all this cold weather. The wind's like right in my face. It's making my eyes water. But, and if you look closely, well, I did see like a couple like shavings that have fallen off of the tires from the shaving off. I've been doing a bunch of burnouts up there on the brick. Oh, yeah, they're falling off. Anyways, this is a really cool car, and that's about it. Then I'm going to open my styrofoam. Oh yeah, there's just no, but I can fix that.
Okay. Look at the car.
We'll be famous one day.
Let's see. Ah, there goes the instructions.
I already had a helicopter like this, but I think I'll know how to fly it. Well, I've had it
Well, we got instructions if we need them.
Yep. The controller.
Is it new batteries? Flip it over. Yeah, probably.
I like how this is supposed to be down. So like, cause like that's how like not go. Raise it to go.
You get the thing out. I'll look and see if it needs batteries. 3 AAA batteries, not included. We'll go in there and get some.
Okay.
Let's get it out of the package. I got batteries and scissors and a little screwdriver. Ooh, it's been so windy lately. It's just that time of year around here for all the wind. Get this stuff where it blows away. That's cool looking. I like red. We'll put this inside the box. I hear somebody.
We have a street race.
It sounds like it. Shiloh's coming to be nosy. So what are y'all doing? I cut that one. It's gonna fall and break. You need to hold it over this brick so it don't fall too far.
Little switch right here.
Yeah.
Turn it on.
Gotta put the batteries in the remotes.
Oh yeah.
You almost forgot.
Better put this off. You about put that.
So I guess you don't have to charge this. It's all batteries. Right. Oh well, it comes with a charger. We may have to charge the helicopter. Battery time. Shiloh. She's nosy. You wonder what we're doing? Yeah? You wonder what we're doing? Put the batteries in. Put the backpack on. Hey, I can see in your ear. Woo, in Samuel's ear. Into his brain. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That is correct. Are you righty tightying it?
I hope I am.
Turn that on, turn the helicopter on. Maybe it'll be charged a little bit and we won't have to charge it. Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh! Is it gonna take off?
I'm nervous because you're out there and I don't want to get
Don't hit me with that thing. Crash!
I want to get off.
Let's go over.
I don't want to get off.
Maybe the dog won't try to go after it. Whoa! I can't.
Whoa! It's going so high.
It is high. Whoa! Don't hit yourself. Don't hit me. Gosh, look how high it goes. Woo, woo. Did your other one go that high? I didn't think so either.
It goes really high. You lose connection.
Don't get in the road with it. Bring it back this way. Where'd it go?
I thought I was going to get on the road on the way I turned. I gotta make 360. See, watch. Look, I'm turning. But it's not going that way. It's going the opposite way.
It's so bright I can't see it. Oh.
Cut the grass with it.
Mow the grass with the blades. Ah! Oh,
watch out!
Don't let it get on the roof. Oh. Did you just get it caught in a tree?
No.
What? I know. I looked with the camera up trying to find it. I'm blinded by the light. I can't see it. I'm surprised that Shiloh's not more curious about it. She's going to go hide behind the bush. I figured she'd be chasing it. What are you doing, Shiloh? Are you hiding from it? We need to weed eat. Oh no, with that. Uh-oh, the battery's dead. I have to charge it up. I'm sure it wasn't charged a whole lot, just coming out of the box. Oh well, did you like it?
Yeah.
Like it better than your other one?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot better than your other one. I can't remember what your other one was called. Was it the exact same kind or something a little different?
Match it up. Well, actually, I don't know where it's at.
You don't know where it's at? Never mind then. Let's look it over.